Electrolysis of water. Did you know electricity can break water molecule into gases? It is called electrolysis. As an electrolyte, salt is added to increase the conductivity of the solution. The process occurs in an electrolytic cell with two electrodes. At negatively charged cathode, reduction takes place due to gain of electrons, and hydrogen gas is released. At positively charged anode, oxidation takes place due to loss of electrons. Graphite electrodes are used in electrolysis, and one becomes positively charged anode and other negatively charged cathode because they are connected to power supply, battery or DC source. Here is a simple explanation is this. This you can see here, this positive terminal is connected to this plate that is called the anode, and it becomes the positively charged. And this is the negative charge, it's connected to the cathode. That's why this is the negative charge plates. The electrode connected to negative terminal becomes the cathode negatively charged, and the electrode connected to the positive terminal of the battery becomes the anode, that is positively charged. Here this is the anode and this is the cathode. Electric current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. Electrons flow in the opposite direction from negative to positive, but the current direction will be like this, from positive to negative. This arrow shows the direction of the current. So in the electrolysis of water, the graphite anode attracts OH, negatively charged OH ions, and gives off oxygen gas. The graphite cathode attracts hydrogen plus ions and gives off hydrogen gas. You can see here, this is the OH ion, negatively charged OH ions, and gives off the oxygen. Here OH ion, 4 moles of OH ion, it will give you oxygen molecule and water, and 4 electrons will be lost. Here the electron is lost, that's why at anode oxidation occurs and reduction occurs at cathode due to the gain of electron. Here you see 4 H ion gives the 4 electron and delivered to the hydrogen gas. 4 hydrogen ions accept 4 electrons and it will give 2 moles of hydrogen gas. Here you can see, compare, here you see this water molecule, basically water molecule first when pass the electric current, it will gives OH ion and hydrogen ion. You can see here this OH ion and here this OH ion and this is the H ions. So this is the reaction which takes place in the electrolytic cell. Here hydrogen volume is the twice of oxygen volume. When you start the electrolysis, hydrogen gas production will be double than oxygen. Volume of hydrogen gas is twice the volume of the oxygen gas. I think this is the mechanism you now understand how this hydrogen gas and oxygen gas is formed. Thank you. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.